In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly profile picture. Your profile picture is one of the first things people notice when they book a meeting with you on Calendly. An updated and professional image can help you make a strong first impression. Whether you're refreshing your current photo or uploading one for the first time, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process, step by step. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive in. First, head over to the Calendly homepage by typing www.calendly.com into your browser. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Signing in is essential because your profile settings are only accessible when you're logged in. If you're not sure whether you're already signed in, just look in the top right corner of the page for an option to log in. Once you're logged in, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It's usually the small circular image or placeholder icon you see there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu which contains several account options. From this menu, find and click on the option labeled Profile. This is where you'll find all your personal information and customization settings. Now that you're on the profile page, look for the button that says Upload Picture. It might be near your current profile image or a placeholder icon. Click on this button to start the process of adding or updating your profile picture. This will open a file browser window, allowing you to choose an image that's already stored on your device, select a photo that you'd like to use for your profile. Keep in mind that it's best to choose an image that's professional, clear, and well lit. A headshot is highly recommended to make sure you look your best. Once you've selected your image, Calendly will give you the option to adjust the positioning of the photo within the profile picture frame. Take a moment to make sure the image fits properly. You can zoom in, rotate, or crop as needed to ensure it looks just right. Don't rush through this step. You want the final result to look polished and professional. When you're happy with how the image looks, click the Apply button to confirm your changes. This step locks in your adjustments and sets the new picture. However, you're not done just yet. Scroll to the bottom of the profile page and find the Save Changes button. It's important to click this, as it ensures that all your edits, including the new profile picture, are saved to your account. And that's it. You've successfully updated your profile picture on Calendly. This new image will now appear whenever someone interacts with your account, helping you maintain a professional and approachable presence. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.